All right, let's complete this practice. It says solve for x when the perimeter of a triangle is 24. So first of all, we want to identify what perimeter means. Remember, that is when we add all the sides of a shape to get the length of all of the outside all together. And so that means we would have to add all these sides, and we would know our equation is equal to 24 since we know the perimeter is 24. All right, so first let's do that. We have x plus 2x plus x plus 4 equals 24. All right, and we'll want to combine like terms since we want to simplify this expression first in order to solve for x, which is our whole goal. All right, so let's go ahead and identify what we can combine. We can combine x, 2x, and another x since those are all like terms. And then, of course, our constant 4 would just be a term of its own. So let's first work on combining these all together. So remember, anytime we have x, that's the same thing as having 1 as the coefficient. We're just going to add all the coefficients here. So 1 plus 2 plus 1. Luckily, we got all positives. And of course, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. So that's going to get us 4x. And then we'll just bring down that very last constant, plus 4 equals 24. And now we can start taking steps to solve. Remember, anytime we're solving equations, we're going to want to use inverse operations, same thing as opposite operations. So look at what's occurring, and in order to get rid of it, you're going to want to do the opposite to both sides. So we want to get this x by itself. Right now I see the plus 4. That's the first thing we want to get rid of. So we're going to subtract 4 from each side. That one cancels. Plus 4 minus 4 is 0. And then we're going to subtract 4 from this side. We're going to get 20. And so we have 4x equals 20. Our very last step, let's think about what operation's occurring here, and that would be multiplication. So we're going to do the opposite and divide each side by 4. 4 over 4 cancels to 1. And then 20 divided by 4 is going to give us 5. So x equals 5. But don't take my word for it. Let's actually go ahead and plug in 5 for x and see if the perimeter truly is 24. So 5 would go in this place of x. Here we'd have 5 plus 4, which would give us 9 on this side. And this one would be 2 times 5, and that side would give us 10. So let's add that all together. We would have 5 plus 9 plus 10. 5 plus 9 would give us 14. And 14 plus 10 would give us 24. So we know the perimeter is 24. Therefore, we know our answer, x equals 5, is true.